Hello, this is Cynthia Fick, and this is the Financial Life Planners October 8th stock market update. Well, I'm going to keep it kind of short and sweet today and talk about what we've been discussing over the last 3-4 months. It's all kind of coming to fruition in the last week. And the first one is I told you to buckle up. There's going to be some turbulence. Not time for you to walk around the cabin. Just get ready. Because historically, September and October are little off, times for the stock market. And we have the election and all the geopolitical things going on too. So that has proven to be the case. It's been pretty volatile. The second thing is that we really don't see any sign of recession so far. And this is a big thing that happened last Friday. There was a jobs number, which I told you was one of the two things we're watching very closely to see if we're going to recession. And the new jobs created was about 70% higher than they have been expecting. And so that's a very big positive for our economy. And the reason that is important to us is because the third thing, historically, the stock market does really well after the Federal Reserve starts lowering interest rates. And so we're looking at 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 year down the line. The stock market usually does really well after that, after they start lowering interest rates. So the only caveat to that was if we went into recession, that can change those numbers and it doesn't look quite as positive. But again, I said the signs we watch to see if we're going to recession show no signs of us having one anytime soon. The fourth thing I've been talking about is I'm sure defensive stocks, utilities, real estate things, that people kind of go to when there's a lot of uncertainty have done better, but they have not in any way look like they're going to take over the leadership for the large company growth. So we're going to continue to watch that too, to see if that changes, and we may adjust portfolios as needed, but we do not see that happening right now. The last thing is that I am not sure if in the long run, the stock market necessarily cares who wins the election. Yes, believe it or not, there may be a short-term reaction to either candidate getting elected, but in the long run, let's stay focused on the economy, the stock market, and what historically happens in the stock market after they start lowering interest rates. Hope you have a great week, and we'll talk to you next week. Bye-bye.